Gon' vote. Everybody gon' vote. Everybody gon' vote. Everybody gon' vote. Comrade! Labor right, them a go down, bang. Them a go down, bang. Them a go down. Is that? Margie, him a God picking. No hope their work if you touch Margie. Margie, him a God picking. No hope their work if you touch Margie. We now vote for Labour. Orange we a come out in now. If you love the PNP, who no step out for Marky G. Jamaica just come along with we. People time come, people time come, people time is up.
Only thing that's on my mind is who's gonna run this town tonight.
Yeah, I said that we are. Pledge your allegiance.
Who's gonna run this town tonight?
Yeah, I said that we
We gonna run this town.
This is a very important point, and I want all the young people within the hearing of my voice to listen and listen me well. Many of our young people are saying that they will not vote. And I'm here to tell you, young people, that your vote is your voice. Don't give away your power. There are so many before us who fought for this freedom, and the future is ours to take. We have to stand up as young people in this country and say time come for us to can live good in our own country. Time come for us to be able to own a home. Time come for us to be able to own a business. Time come, comrades, for us as young professionals, young people, to be able to feel a sense of dignity.
Time coming up. Time come. The date has finally announced. Everybody come vote for Mark Golden. Because of for your face. We are just because of walk around the district council because of because of for your face. We are just because of time come.
So I'm here at the Runaway Bay Health Clinic, and we've been observing the conditions here, and I have to say that I'm concerned. I'm concerned because I've seen a release from the Member of Parliament, Ms. Crystal Lee, speaking or rebutting claims made by our spokesperson on health, Dr. Dawes. And I find it interesting, even perturbing, that she would seek to make these assertions when a facility like this that is supposed to accommodate the people in Northwest St. Anne is in a condition that is woefully lacking. There are mothers who come here in the mornings and there's limited seating, so they're left to stand in the sun or in the rain. The condition inside, the roof is leaking. And when we look at the fact that for years land was handed over from the Ministry of Housing to the Ministry of Health under PNP administration, and for 8 years the government has refused to ensure that a new fit-for-purpose facility is built up there in Mount Edgecombe. The land is there and nothing is being done. I want to say to the Member of Parliament that before you go off to criticize and to take on other portfolios, I would love for you to focus your attention here in Northwest St. Anne, where we would want to see that facility not just be an idea but a reality that will benefit the people here. So MP, the ball is in your court. The people are demanding better health services here in Northwest St. Anne. Over to you. So I want to follow up on a video that I posted about the Runaway Bay Health Clinic. just to provide some more information. So we can go all the way back to the last tenure of the former MP, where he advocated stridently for the building of a new health center in Runaway Bay.
Mr. Speaker, I am again pleading on behalf of the people from Runaway Bay and surrounding environs for the health center there to be started. Ground was broken from 2016. Money provided by NHS. It is unfair to have them undergo such inhumane conditions.
So as you can hear, ground was broken, the plans were drawn up, Chase Fund came in and contributed to that process. All that was done long before the tenure of this current MP. Now, a lot has been said about the Brownstone Health Center, even though I spoke to the Runaway Bay Health Facility. But Brownstone, in fact, since 2019, in the last tenure of the Member of Parliament, Dr. Dane Campbell, money was earmarked for the Brownstone Health Facility, $1.6 million US. For the past 4 years, this has only been a concept. And what the people of Northwest St. Anne demand and deserve is this project becoming a reality. With all the delays, it seems as if we'll just have to wait on the next PNP Member of Parliament to actually see this project through to completion. I would urge the incumbent, though, to really move with some alacrity to see these projects fulfilled for the people of Northwest St. Anne, and not wait until close to an election so that this just becomes a mere election.